Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is an excellent choice for boiler service in Los Gatos, CA, 95032. Our skilled team of experts has vast experience handling a range of boiler-related needs, including maintenance, repairs, installations, and replacements. Are you looking for boiler service near me? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. What is the purpose of boiler service? The goal of boiler servicing is to ensure that your heating system runs efficiently, safely, and dependably, particularly during the winter. Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment offers comprehensive boiler services in Los Gatos, CA, 95032 to meet the particular needs of houses. What is boiler service? Boiler servicing is a comprehensive process that ensures your heating system and boiler operates safely, effectively, and appropriately. Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment in Los Gatos, CA, 95032 provides professional boiler services that are suited to the needs of local businesses and households. Where is your service area? The communities of Santa Cruz, Soquel, Capitola, Scotts Valley, Aptos, Watsonville, Los Gatos, Saratoga, Campbell, Morgan Hill, Marina, Cupertino, Pacific Grove, Gilroy, and San Jose are among the California towns that Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is happy to serve. Where is your Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment located? We are located at 303 Potrero St. Suite 198, Santa Cruz, CA 95060, United States. Our phone number is 831-999-2029. Visit our website, https://santacruzplumbingrepair.com/Santa Cruz Plumbing Draining Water Heater Repair/